Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video we'll show you how to connect the SIYI RC10pro ground unit to a Windows ground station via the RJ45 Ethernet port, enabling a stable wired UDP telemetry connection. First, use an RJ45 Ethernet cable to connect the Ethernet port on the RC10pro ground unit directly to your computer's network port. After the physical connection is complete, power on the transmitter and open the UniRc application. In the data link settings, set the connection mode to UDP. Next, configure the network settings on your Windows computer. In the search bar, type View Network Connections and open the Network Connections page. To avoid network conflicts, you can temporarily disable other active network adapters. Then locate the wired network adapter connected to the RC10pro. Right-click it and select Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Set the IP address manually to 192.168.144.85. The subnet mask will usually autofill as 255.255.255.0. If it does not, enter it manually. Click OK to save the settings. After completing the network configuration, open the Mission Planner ground station software. In the connection options, select UDP-CI and set the baud rate to 57,600. Click Connect in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, enter the following: IP address 192.168.144.20, port 19856. After confirming the information, click OK and wait for the connection to establish. Once the flight controller successfully connects to Mission Planner, gently move the flight controller. You should see real-time attitude updates on the ground station interface, indicating that the UDP telemetry link has been successfully established. Next, click Setup and enter the radio calibration page. Move the transmitter sticks and you will see the channel values updating in real time. This confirms that the S.bus communication between the transmitter and flight controller is working properly. By following these steps, you have successfully completed the wired UDP communication setup between the SIYI RC10pro and a Windows ground station via the RJ45 Ethernet port. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more drone tutorials and hands-on demonstrations. See you in the next video.